Did you know that in the dynamic world of entrepreneurship, the ability to pivot based on validation results is a crucial skill? While initial business models may seem robust in theory, real-world validation often reveals unexpected challenges or opportunities. Pivoting is not a retreat, but a strategic maneuver that allows businesses to align more closely with market demands and customer needs. A customer segment pivot involves targeting a different customer demographic based on feedback from the original target group. This shift can be transformative. Imagine initially targeting young professionals with a tech product, only to discover that retirees are equally or more interested in the offering. Shifting focus to this new segment after rigorous validation can open doors to untapped markets and drive exponential growth. Another common pivot is the value proposition pivot, where the core solution offered to customers is significantly altered. This doesn't mean abandoning the original idea, but refining it to better solve customer pain points. For example, a company producing fitness equipment might pivot to creating virtual fitness classes after realizing that customers value guided workouts over standalone equipment. This new direction not only aligns better with customer needs, but also differentiates the brand in a competitive market. Revenue model pivots are equally significant, involving a change in how a company earns revenue. A business might move from a one-time payment model to a subscription-based or freemium model to create a steady revenue stream. For instance, a software company might switch to a subscription model, providing continuous updates and support, thereby increasing customer lifetime value and ensuring more predictable revenue. Pivoting, when grounded in validation results, is a sign of adaptability and smart decision-making. It reflects a company's commitment to serving its customers better and creating sustainable growth. Entrepreneurs who acknowledge the signals from validation data and pivot accordingly often find themselves in a stronger position to succeed. These adjustments might seem daunting, but are essential for navigating the complexities of the modern market. In summary, pivoting should be seen as a strategic evolution rather than a desperate change of course. By embracing customer feedback, refining value propositions, and adjusting revenue models, businesses can create more value and resonate better with their audience. Entrepreneurs who master the art of pivoting leverage validation results as a powerful tool to steer their ventures toward long-term success